Well, first up this evening to that tragedy at the Mahakumbh after a stampede early this morning. Just a short while ago, the police have confirmed that 30 people have died and over 60 injured, some in critical condition in that stampede. This is the first official declaration of the casualties. Remember, condolences have been pouring in from the President, Prime Minister, Home Minister and several other leaders, including opposition leaders, to that stampede. It occurred in the early hours of this morning as lakhs of devotees gathered to take a dip, or what's called the Amrit Snan, at the most holy of the ghats at the nose of the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj, known as the Sangam Ghat. Following the tragedy, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has now advised people, remember there are lakhs still there, to take their holy dip at the ghats closest to them and not troop to that most holy spot. Several ghats have been prepared for such dips. The famous Akharas also resumed the Shahi Snan at the Triveni Sangam after it was briefly suspended during the day following that stampede. Remember, as I mentioned, lakhs of devotees continue to be there for the Kumbh Mela. The UP government expected overall 10 crore devotees to come.
आज की चुनाव सभा को संबोधन करने से पहले मैं महाकुंभ में जो दुखद हादसा हुआ है उस हादसे में हमें कुछ पुण्यात्माओं को खोना पड़ा है, कई लोगों को चोटें भी आई हैं। मैं प्रभावित परिवारों के प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं और घायलों के जल्द स्वस्थ होने की कामना करता हूं। मैं यूपी सरकार के साथ निरंतर संपर्क में हूं।
क्षेत्र में अखाड़ा मार्ग पर भारी भीड़ का दबाव बना और इस भीड़ के दबाव के कारण दूसरी ओर के बैरिकेड्स टूट गए और भीड़ के लोग बैरिकेड्स बांधकर दूसरी तरफ ब्रह्म मुहूर्त के स्नान का इंतजार कर रहे श्रद्धालुओं को कुचलना शुरू कर दिया। यद्यपि प्रशासन ने तत्काल राहत और बचाव कार्य करते हुए ग्रीन कॉरिडोर बनाया और एम्बुलेंस के माध्यम से लगभग 90 घायलों को अस्पताल तक पहुंचाया, परंतु इसमें से दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण तरीके से 30 श्रद्धालुओं की दुखद मृत्यु हो गई है।
मेरी अपील है पूरे प्रदेशवासियों से, पूरे देशवासियों से और सभी श्रद्धालुओं से भी, सभी पूज्य संतों से भी कि अफवाह पर कोई ध्यान न दें, संयम से काम लें। ये सब आयोजन सभी लोगों का है। प्रशासन उनकी सेवा के लिए पूरी तत्परता के साथ लगा हुआ है, लेकिन मेरी अपील होगी कि कोई भी नकारात्मकता न फैलाने दें और न किसी अफवाह पर विश्वास करें। स्थिति नियंत्रण में है। हाँ, दबाव जरूर है, क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया कि प्रातःकाल से सुबह 8:30 बजे तक 3 करोड़ से अधिक श्रद्धालु स्नान कर चुके हैं। मौनी अमावस्या का जो मुहूर्त है पूरे रात्रि भर है, इसलिए ये नहीं हो केवल इस पे कि हम अभी स्नान करेंगे, आवश्यक नहीं, कभी भी आप स्नान कर सकते हैं। तो उस पर जरूर सभी से मेरी विनम्र अपील होगी कि वे लोग उस पर सहयोग करेंगे तो सकुशल सभी को स्नान कराने में और सकुशल इस महापर्व को आयोजित करने में प्रशासन को और शासन को मदद मिलेगी।
Well, my colleague Aishwarya Jain, who's been tracking this very closely, joins me live right now. Aishwarya, take us through what you're hearing from the authorities. Obviously, the Kumbh continues. There are going to be more auspicious days. There are going to be several lakhs of people still there at Prayagraj.
Well, it was at around 2:30 a.m. in the morning when the stampede broke out, and now the official figures have come out. 30 people had been dead and more than 90 had been injured. 25 had been identified so far as casualties are concerned. 5 are still unidentified. And the place where I'm standing is Motilal Nehru Medical College, where all the bodies and injured ones were first taken. The Uttar Pradesh government had been stating that there was a green corridor that was established, and it was through those corridors the ambulances came in. Let me show you these visuals, horrifying visuals from the Motilal Nehru Medical College. These are the people who had lost their loved ones, and they had been called in over here to identify their loved ones. People are not able to find out where their loved ones are, and from Prime Minister to Home Minister of the country had expressed condolences to the family members who have lost their loved ones. Let me also try to speak to some of the people, the devotees who came over here. आप यहाँ पर कब आए थे?
कहाँ यहाँ
यहाँ पर नहीं, प्रयागराज में आपका?
प्रयागराज में कल मैं आया हूँ रात को 2:30 से 3 से 3:30 बजे तक। जो हमारी घरवाली है वो, उसकी नाम है मीना देवी, वो हमारे पीछे जा रही थी, वो हम आगे थे। उसके बाद थोड़ा सा जब आगे गया हूँ तो देखा हूँ कि उसको पता ही नहीं लगा किधर चले गई।
और
शाम कल 4 बजे रात से लेकर अभी तक मैं खोज रहा हूँ, कहीं कुछ पता नहीं लग रहा है।
आपने किसी से बात करने की कोशिश करी, किसी अफसर से बात करी, कहीं हॉस्पिटल में गए, ढूंढा आपने?
ये वाला हॉस्पिटल में गया हूँ, वहाँ पर वहाँ फिर पर्ची दिया, बोलता है कि जाओ मेडिकल में देखो, कहीं वहाँ जो होगा तो।
So people are trying to identify, to find out their loved ones who are missing. Control rooms had been established, but certainly no information is something that they are trying to garner. Ambulances after ambulances are coming at this medical college, and it is, of course, these serious injured ones who have been taken to different hospitals across Prayagraj and also to Varanasi and Lucknow as well for the better treatment. Uttar Pradesh government has been saying now that the situation is absolutely under control. The senior officials had been rushed to Sangam Ghat. Security has been deployed in large numbers. Some people are happy with the arrangement after the stampede broke out, but some people are very unhappy because they had come from large, from very far parts of the country, and they are unable to take dip because Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister himself has stated and urged people to take dip at whatever place they are, not to go to that Sangam Ghat because there is large crowd over there, and to control the situation, there are speakers and massive announcements that are being made to have the security in place as well. Of course, helpline number had also been now issued. People can contact onto them, but because of lack of information, people are still searching, and it is now the official figures. 30 people are the casualties. 30 are the casualties, and more than 90 had been injured in the unfortunate stampede that happened in Prayagraj yesterday.
Unfortunately, Aishwarya, those numbers could perhaps go up. The whole extent of it perhaps will unravel as the night unfolds. Thanks very much there for that update. Obviously, the Kumbh and that the holy dip continues there in Prayagraj.